Now we are on the topic electronic configuration. And what is electronic configuration? It is a placement of electron in an atom. So electrons are placed in an atom according to some rules. We cannot anyway place the electron. जैसे हम चाहते हैं हम वैसे नहीं कर सकते. We should follow some rules for this. So the rule is Hund's rule. For a rule we have learned earlier, that is a Vow law now, or a Vow rule, then it is a Hund's rule. So according to this rule, what it says that when electron are placed in an orbital, then the orbital should be half filled first, followed by fully filling it, and then move towards higher energy orbitals. Now what will the rule is saying, that when we start to fill the electron in the orbitals, then we will fill the electrons half, fill the electrons, okay, and then after we will fully fill the electron and we will go for the next energy levels. Now we will understand it better with the help of the example. First we understand the second rule, that is Pauli's exclusion principle. So according to this principle, no two electron in an orbital have all four same quantum number. So two electrons should not have the same four quantum number, or at least the spin quantum number should be different for the element. So spin quantum number will be different, like if one electron is spin positively, then other should spin negatively, okay. Now how will we fill the electron? We will see here. Suppose an element is having the electronic configuration, like suppose atomic number 23, okay. Suppose it is an element E. So we want to fill the electron, okay, according to the Vow principle. Then these are the orbitals. It is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, okay. Now in 2p we draw 3 orbitals because it has 3, and d has 5, and so on. The f orbital has 7. F sub level have 7 orbitals, okay. So now what we will do for the filling 23 electron in these orbitals, we will first fill the electron like this. So it is a half filled electron. Now what we will do, we will fill the another electrons. So in 1s there are 2 electrons. Now we will go for next energy level. Now again we fill the electron like this. Now we will go for 2p. So first what we will do, we will fill electron like this. Now we will not fill the second electron in this orbital. We will go to the next, because in the degenerated orbitals, first we should distribute the same number of electron in each orbital, then after we will start to pairing it, okay. So first we will half fill the all degenerated orbitals, then after we will start to fill the pairing of it, okay. So now we filled it. Now we come to the next higher energy level. So first half fill, then full fill, then again we will follow the same rule like this, then after like this, okay. Now how many electrons? 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, now 19, 20, now 23, 20, now 21, 22 and 23. Now these 2 orbitals are empty, there is no problem. Now we are not having more electron to pair this, no problem. As much we are having the electron, we just fill the orbitals, okay. So what we have to keep in mind, we should keep in mind that first we should half fill the orbitals, then after we will start to filling it full, okay. So it is especially keep in mind in case of the degenerated orbitals, in which we will first fill one electron in each orbital, then after we will start pairing it if we are having the more electron. Then if we are not having, there is no problem. Here we did the configuration, okay. Now you can do the configuration like this, and also I provide a trick for the configuration, and you should practice this because it is must to practice it. Okay, thank you so much. Now this unit has been completed. We will go for the next unit now, and how much the part of the unit we can do in 2 or 3 lecture we will do. Then after we will do it on reopening the school. So I request each and everyone, please, as much we did in these days, you should practice this very well, and I will provide your homework very soon. Okay, thank you so much.